right, back to the jegs. So anyway, I took it apart and found that the head had all that movement because there was too much lateral slide to slide right there. So what I did was I took a washer, cut a notch in it, stuck it right there, and now you can see that all the side-to-side play in this handle is now gone. So that's how you get rid of that. Anyway, now we're gonna reassemble it, lube it up, and take care of that problem. So a washer right there, right behind that washer, because there's a roller bearing on each side in a washer. But as you can see, it took out all that side-to-side play. And of course, I painted it a beautiful silver, welded up all these spots.